Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to Make Yoga a Daily Habit. I'm excited and thrilled to bring this series to you. I'm hoping that at the end of this 30-day journey, we can all make mindful movement a part of our daily life. These classes are designed to be really simple and not more than 15 minutes long. I hope or believe that each of us can take this 15 minutes time for ourselves to get up and move. The intention of bringing this series was that if we make small changes every day, this can lead to big changes in the long run. These classes are suitable for everyone. If there are any modifications that are needed, I will let you know while we're doing the practice. You can do this practice anytime you have the time. Just remember that you have to keep a meal gap of about 4 hours after a big meal or 2 hours following a snack. These classes are free and are available on the channel for you to come back to whenever you need to. I'll also leave a link in the description below where you can print a copy to track your 30-day journey, as well as a link to all the frequently asked questions. If you have any other queries, you can always write to me in the comments below and I will respond to that. In today's session, we'll just take 2 to 3 minutes wherein we'll bring our awareness to our breath, which will be the focus throughout the series along with moving mindfully. So let's begin by coming to sit in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight. Chin is parallel. Close your eyes. Your palms are resting in receiving position on your thighs. Take a breath in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Once again, breathe in, noticing the air entering your nostrils, the back of your throat, and exhale. This time, take a deep breath in. Notice your chest expand, your belly moves forward, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Exhale completely through your nose. Bring both your hands, your palms to your abdomen. And as you breathe in, push your belly into your palms. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. We're going to do 3 more rounds here. Breathe in. Eyes stay closed. One last breath in and breath out. Slowly bring your hands to rest on your thighs. With a few blinks, keeping a soft gaze, you can open your eyes. Just noticing how you feel in your body. Noticing the thoughts in your mind. Breathing in and breathing out. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey. I'll see you tomorrow for day 1 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Get your friends and family to join along with you. That way you can also be accountable and show up for the practice every single day. Namaste.